In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Airtable email tracker using Claude AI. First, open Claude AI and start a new chat so you can give it the setup instruction. In the chat box, paste a prompt that asks Claude to create an email tracking system directly in Airtable using the integration. The prompt should request a table for emails with fields such as subject, recipient, status, type, owner, send date, follow-up date, and notes. It should also ask for a tracking workflow so the system is fully configured and ready to use. After you send that prompt, give Claude a moment to generate and create the tracker in Airtable. Once that process is complete, open Airtable and go to your workspace. There, look for the newly created base for the email tracker. Open it and review the structure that was generated. Next, go into the emails table and confirm that all of the required fields have been added correctly. Check that the subject and recipient fields are present, along with status, type, owner, send date, follow-up date, and notes. Then verify the field setup. Make sure the status, type, and owner fields are configured properly for selection and organization. Also make sure the date fields are working correctly so you can track when emails are sent and when follow-ups are due. Once the setup looks correct, begin adding email records to the table. Enter the details for each email you want to track, including the subject, the recipient, the current status, the type of email, the owner responsible, and any notes that help provide context. Add the send date and the follow-up date where needed so your tracking remains accurate. As you continue using the tracker, update each record as email activity changes. When an email is sent, mark the status accordingly. If a follow-up happens later, update the status again and adjust the follow-up date if necessary. This helps keep your Airtable base current and makes it easier to manage communication over time. From there, use the table to monitor and manage email interactions. You can review upcoming follow-ups, see which emails are still pending, and keep all communication details in one organized place. This gives you a simple and effective workflow for email tracking directly inside Airtable. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.